Hi students, we will be continuing with our chapter 17, idea of speed, distance and time. We already completed 6 questions in our previous class. Now let me do the 7th question. It's in page number 158 in your textbook, page number 158. I travel a distance of 10 kilometers and come back in 2.5 hours. What is my speed? I travel a distance of 10 kilometers and come back. So he is traveling a distance traveled will be 10 kilometers, then plus he is coming back. So if I start from one point, I reach at some point, I can tell it's 10 kilometer. When I come back again, that what will be the total speed? It will be 10 plus 10. I mean not the speed, total distance will be 10 plus 10. That is 20 kilometers. And come back in 2.5 hours. So time taken will be equal to 2.5 hours. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 hours. What is my speed? So again, what is speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So 20 by 5 by 2. So when you take this up, you will get 20 into 2 by 5, that is equal to 4 into 2 is 8 kilometer per hour. It's 8 kilometer per hour. Okay. So distance traveled, we will be taking it as 20. What's the reason? I travel a distance of 10 kilometer and come back, it's given. Okay. So distance plus the travel distance plus the distance, you get it as 10 plus 10, that is 20. Hope it's clear. So here we need to find the average speed. So there is a formula for finding the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So let's add all this. Total distance will be, in walking 5 kilometer, 5 plus 40 plus 5 divided by time will be 2 plus 1 by 2. That's equal to 40 plus 5 plus 5, that is 50 by 4.5. Correct? So 50 by 4.5 I can write as 50 by 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So when you take it this side, you will get 100 by 9. You divide it and see what you are getting. 100 by 9. 1s are 9, 10. So again it will go one time. 9, 1. So you can write it as, it's 11, 1 by 9 kilometer per hour. That is the average speed. Hope it's clear to you all. Okay. So whenever you need to find the average speed, you have to just add all the distance, then divided by the time, you will get the average speed. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Ninth one. Jagan went to another town such that he covered 240 kilometer at 60 kilometer per hour. He's going by car. Then he covered 80 kilometer by train at 100 kilometer per hour. It's car, it's train. Okay, second condition. And rest of 200 kilometer he covered by bus. 200 kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour in the bus. What is the average speed of the whole journey? Okay. So in this case, how do we find the average speed of the whole journey? Okay. So in order to find the average speed, you need to find the time taken in each case. So time taken in car. What is the time taken in car? That is distance by speed. 240 by 60. That is equal to 6 1s are 6 4s are. So you'll get 4 hours. Next one. Time taken in train. That is equal to 80 by 100, that you will get it as 8. 4s are 5s are. So you'll get 4 by 5 hours. Next one, time taken. Third one is time taken in bus. So taken in bus is equal to 200 by 50. That's equal to 4 hours. Now what is the average speed? How can you find the average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance taken by total time. So total distance is equal to, what are the distance we have here? 240 plus 80 plus 200 divided by time will be 4 plus 4 by 5 plus 4. Okay, so you'll get, adding this you will get 200 plus 80, 280 plus 240 will give you 520 by this one. Just add it and see, 4 plus 4 by 5 plus 4. So I can write it as 8 plus 4 by 5. Correct? So when I take the LCM, it's 5. So I'll get as 8 5s by 1 into 5 plus 4 by 5. So I'll get 40 plus 4 by 5, that is 44 by 5. So we'll write that time 44 by 5. Okay. So this 5 will go up. So what do I get? 520 into 5 by 44. Okay. So you can do 520 into 5. 520 into 5 will give you 0. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance. 5 5s are 25. 26 you will get. So you'll get as 2600 by 44. So you can divide it and check. 2600 divided by 44. 44 into 5, you just check it. 5 4s are 20, 2 balance, 5 4s are again 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Okay, so it is 5 times 220, 400. So 44 into 9, you check. 4 9s are 440 is 44 into 10. So 4 9s are 36, 3 balance, 4 9s are again 36, 39 you are getting. So it is 4 9s are 396. What's balance? 4. So how can you write it? It is 59 4 by 44. 1s are 4 will go 11 times. So you'll get the answer as 59 1 by 11 kilometer per hour. Hope it's clear. Now coming to the final question in this exercise. Question number 10. Question number 10 we have the speed of sound in air is about speed of sound in air. Speed of sound is given as 330 meter per second. Express the speed in kilometer per hour. How long will it take to travel 99 kilometer? So we have conversion for meter per second to kilometer per hour. We all know that 1 meter equal to okay students, with this we will be ending with this exercise. You don't have to worry about your 10th question that we will be doing after I teach the next topic in this chapter. That means while we do the 17b, exercise 17b. Okay students.